Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I have the Gloway RAM 3600 MHz. If you want to buy this RAM, the link is in the description with some coupon codes from AliExpress. The price is $41. Don't forget to use the coupon codes. There is the 3600 and the 3200 MHz versions. You will need 2 slots from the store have 5 stars reviews. The RAM is CL18. The lower the CL, the better the RAM. It's DDR4. I'm using it with AMD CPU. There is white version and the black one. Excellent performance, stable operation. With aluminum heatsink and XMP profile for overclocking. You will need 2 slots from to activate the dual channel mode. If you have 4 ports, make sure to use one on channel A and the second one on channel B, the same number. Let's go to the BIOS for the overclocking settings. Enter the BIOS, just click delete when turning on the PC. Here it is, our RAM. The base clocking is 2133. We will need to change that. Click F7. Go to AI tweaking. Go to AI overclock tuner or something similar to activate XMP profile or the OCP profile. The settings will be changed automatically to 3600 MHz. I don't recommend modifying any other settings. Then you will need to click F10 to save the settings. After reboot, enter again to your BIOS and check if memory frequency has been changed. Of course, the one on the main page is just for reference. The actual running memory speed is this one. You can always go to the default BIOS settings if you can't boot to your Windows. Load the optimized default or remove the battery from your motherboard. If you don't know what are you doing, I warn you again, don't modify other settings here. If you are professional, you can play with the timing control to lower the clock of the RAM. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and goodbye.